Want to write Python code like a pro? Or at least feel like you know what you're doing? Today we are installing PyCharm, the comfy sofa of Python IDEs. Hey friends, welcome back to Bitwise Smarter, the channel where tech setups become zero stress victories. Before we install PyCharm, let's quickly check what you need. And if you haven't installed Python yet, check the video linked in the description. That one will give you a super clean setup. Before we jump in, here's what you need to install PyCharm smoothly. Windows 11, updated version recommended, Python installed. PyCharm needs it to actually run Python code. Again, the link in the description has a full guide if you haven't done that yet. At least 4 GB RAM. But if your laptop wheezes every time Chrome opens, aim for 8 GB. About 3 GB of free storage. PyCharm likes a little legroom. And of course, internet, because downloading things without internet is a talent I do not possess. Head over to jetbrains.com/PyCharm, click the first link. Now click download. Under the Windows operating system, click download. Once the installer finishes, click it. Now click next. We will keep the path as it is. Click next. Let's select the desktop shortcut. Now click next and install. Now click finish. You should now be able to see the PyCharm shortcut on your desktop. Click it. Now agree to the terms and conditions. Say I confirm, continue. And here you go. The setup is complete. Now let's create a new project. Go to File, New Project. You can see that PyCharm has already identified the Python version we had already installed. You can check the link in the description if you need to install Python. Now in the location, you can name it anything. I'm going to keep it as is and call it Python project. Let's click Create. Now let's create a Python file. Right-click on your project, New, Python file. I'll call mine demo.py. Feel free to call yours anything you want. Type this tiny test program just as a starter, like Python's first baby step. Print hello world. Now go to current file and click run. And boom, there your output appears. If you see hello world, congrats, everything works. If not, maybe the universe wants you to retype the code. It happens. And that's it. PyCharm is installed, ready, and officially part of your Python journey. Check out the Python installation video in the description if you missed that step. Hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more beginner-friendly guides. This is Bitwise Smarter, helping you code wiser, one click at a time.